P versus NP is very important in computer science. Today I will discuss about P versus NP problem, and today lecture I have divided in 4 segments. First, some story. Second, why is needed. Third, what is it, and some idea how to solve. We know about Alan Matheson Turing, who is the father of artificial intelligence, by proposed a psychological question: can machine think? And he also discussed about computer computation and decision problem on his seminal paper. Suppose A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7, but in execution A greater than B. Computer how to say it is false? Alan Turing also said every algorithm have limit to computation. Right now, one question is arise. What is algorithm? Algorithm is a language of computation, simple and sequence and finite step. This lecture is going to become very important and interesting because this lecture discussed one Millennium Prize problem, P versus NP problem. Suppose 2 plus 5 equal to 7, 10 plus 15 equal to 25, 10 multiply 15 equal to 150. Multiplication takes time more than addition. We can easily understand when I will be do multiplication. It is very difficult to quickly answer for human being, but computer is provide quickly. Multiplication takes time more than addition because it use more gate. And one more thing is very important, that is homogeneous. Suppose we want to add 5 plus love. It's possible? No, because 5 is an integer and love is a string. So firstly, checking is very important for computation. Let us consider one person will be go from A to D by crossing 2 points B and C. A to B having only one way, B to C having only 2 way, and C to D having only 3 way. Right now, A to D, how many way exist there? On multiply 2 multiply 3 equal to 6 possibilities. That means 3 factorial. Every factorial one kind of multiplication, if length and depth is high, then it makes large factorial and there has lot of possibilities. Without guidelines, it makes non-deterministic solution. But factoring is very important for business cryptography and secure communication by RSA code. If we get some additional information about the searching, then we can reduce the possibilities. That means reduction is possible of non-deterministic solution in polynomial time. Then we can say P equal to NP. Right now, need to familiar with some term like P, NP, polynomial time. P stand for set of problem we can solve and understand. NP stand for set of problem we want to solve and understand. Polynomial time is stand for upper bound computational time, that is so the big O of nk. In here, k is the positive constant, n is the size of input. Most of the NP problem having exponential time complexity. It is provide asymptotic behavior. So it is expected for closed looping. That means non-linear function. So many problems are NP problem like click, map coloring, Sudoku, etc. etc. How to solve the NP problem in polynomial time? It is the main fact. We know the expression of exponential a to the power n. In here, a is the base constant, n is the input size, and we know that n cannot be changed, a can be changed. But important thing is how to solve the NP problem in polynomial time. Right now, we get the some idea
how to solve the NP problem in polynomial time. Idea number 1, NP problem divided into a small polynomial problem. It is called split decomposition. Then NP problem solved in polynomial time. Suppose just only for idea. A multiply b equal to a plus b whole square minus a square minus b square divided by 2. Idea number 2, find out group of tasks and find out the importance of task. Less important let be considered equal to 0. Suppose need to find out from A to D short distance. D is located in north from A. If having many ways A to D and may be directly not connected by same direction of D, then you can avoid it. So your searching or factoring will be transformed.
Here, D is located in north. It is the additional information. Additional information is very important to solve NP problem in polynomial time. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching.